Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is create account using custom controller. Let's create an account record without using a standard functionality. In this example, first we need to create Apex class and then creating Visualforce page and calling the Apex class by using the controller. So in this example we are going to create account Visualforce page and Apex class from the scratch. So here no standard functionality is going to take place. So we will try to create the page as the standard one. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. And to create the Visualforce page and Apex class, we need to click on setup gear icon. So to create the Apex class, first we need to click on file, new, Apex class. Here I am creating the Apex class by the name Visualforce account custom controller. Click OK. So in this Apex class, as many fields are there in account, that many fields we have to take here. So name string type, rating string type, phone string type, parent is of id, fax string type, account number is of string type, website string type, site string type, ticker symbol is of string type, type again string type, ownership string, industry string, number of employees integer type, annual revenue decimal type, SIC string, and here we are creating the save method. So creating an instance of account A, and here we are putting all the information what is captured by the Visualforce page. So rating, name, phone, parent ID, fax, account number, website, site, ticker symbol, type, ownership, industry, number of employees, annual revenue, SIC, and finally we are performing a DML operation, insert A. So next we have to design the Visualforce page. So click on file, new, Visualforce page. Here I am creating the Visualforce page by the name VF account custom controller. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, we are calling the Visualforce account custom controller Apex class by using controller. So again, we are designing the Visualforce page account as we are seeing in the standard one. So let's click on preview button. So here we are able to see that we had created our own Visualforce page of account or as object. So let's see the standard one also. So while clicking on new, we are seeing account information, then address information, additional information, and description information. The same we had designed here as well. Account information, address information, additional information, and description information. So if I am switching to Salesforce Classic view, switch to Salesforce Classic, and clicking on account, new. So we are seeing this type of view. So let's make our view as well like this only. Here I am using sidebar equals to true and clicking on preview button. So now what we had designed, the Visualforce page is coming like this, and the standard account is coming like this. So I had tried to create the Visualforce page as the standard one. So to make look and feel like standard one, how we had created, let's see. So in the developer console, this Apex page and controller is for the functionality what we are capturing the data from Visualforce page, and it is storing in our account database, and sidebar is making true, like this value is coming. Then we are using Apex section header, title account edit, and subtitle new account, and there is a help. So this is account edit, new account, and help. Then starting Apex form, in Apex page block title we are using account edit. So this account edit. Apex page block buttons, taking save, save and new, and cancel. So save and new, and cancel. Then page block section, title account information, and column we are taking 2. Account information, column we are taking 2, this. So first page block section item, account owner. So this one, account owner. Next page block section item, here uh, output label is rating, and we are providing the value as a customized way. So here we are providing in options value equals to hot, warm, and cold. So rating hot, warm, and cold. So here we are not using the standard functionality, so that it is coming up. Here we had taken our own value. Next page block section item, account name, then phone, account name, then phone. Next page block section item, parent account, fax, parent account, fax. Next, account number, website, account number, website. Next, account site, ticker symbol, account site, ticker symbol. Next, type. I had tried to make all the values what is in our real time. So type and ownership, type and ownership. If I am clicking on type, the same value we are getting as in the standard one, and in the ownership also. So industry, employee. So in the industry I had not taken all the values as we are seeing in the standard account. So industry, we are seeing only other values. Employee, if all we need the same value, we have to provide in the option value here itself. Next, annual revenue and SIC code. Annual revenue and SIC code. Here page block section is closed. Next page block section, address information, and in this address information we are seeing billing street, shipping street, billing city, shipping city, billing state, shipping state provision, billing zip postal code, shipping as well, billing country and shipping country, and we are closing the page block section and page block. So address information, this billing street, shipping street, city, state, postal code, country. Then again we are taking page block section, additional information. So output label, customer priority, SLA. So this much of value I had provided, customer priority and SLA. So this much of value is coming. We can change this value also as per our business requirement, because we are creating here as per our business need. So if in the business some different values needed, we can go with that one also. So next is SLA expiration date, SLA serial number, number of locations, upsell opportunity. So SLA expiration date, SLA serial number, number of locations, upsell opportunity. Closing the page block section and page block. Here again opening page block and page block section, description information, and we are putting in the output label description and input text area column 60 and rows 6. So description information, and this is description 60 by 6. So closing the tags apex page block, form and apex page. So like this we are creating the Visualforce page. If someone is creating the Visualforce page, same copy of any standard object, so he or she can get good hands on Visualforce page. So let's create a new record. So here I am putting the information, account name Aman Verma, some random phone number, account number B123, website scl.com, type prospect, ownership public, industry other, employee 1100, annual revenue, some value, address information, billing street, Raju Chowk, billing city, Palam Bihar, billing state provision, Gurugram, billing zip postal code 112200, billing country India. Additional information, here I am taking customer priority high, SLA gold, and skipping rest of the information. Description information, in the description I am providing this page is designed from scratch, also having the custom logic to save the record, and here I am clicking on save button. So let's click on account. Here see Aman Verma is opening here. So this short of information we had provided. Thank you.